Assuming that you're searching for Dogelon Mars cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to essentially know where the costs of Dogelon Mars will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Dogelon Mars and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to basically take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners, not to fundamentally specify anticipating something so ideal all things considered is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will explicitly make an honest effort, or so they thought. We should begin. Dogelon Mars past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is $0. ELON is presently positioned number 157 in the whole crypto-biological system, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The dissemination supply of Dogelon Mars truly is 549,652,770,159,580 with a market cap of $177,440,934. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been basically diminished by 0.43% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ELON with yesterday, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down. Dogelon Mars basically is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which is very huge. The ELON is down to nearly 16.98% over the most recent 7 days incredibly. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could have in every practical sense solid essentials, yet we don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future Dogelon Mars cost expectations. ELON gauge by applying certainly profound especially man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the especially past value information of Dogelon Mars. We give our all to especially gather especially most extreme authentic information for the ELON coin which truly incorporate numerous boundaries like certainly past value, Dogelon Mars market cap, Dogelon Mars volume and not many more, which is very huge. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts in a real sense. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ELON. In 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0. The Dogelon Mars value worth can arrive at a very limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2024 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ELON. In 2024 the cost of Dogelon Mars is somewhat anticipated to reach at least degree of $0. The ELON cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0, which is genuinely huge. ELON value gauge for 2025 the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0 2025 amazingly. The Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2025. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2026 Dogelon Mars cost in every practical sense is gauged to arrive at a most minimal by and large conceivable degree of $0 2026. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0, the typical estimate cost of $0, which is very huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2027 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2027 the cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0. The ELON cost can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, the typical worth of $0. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2028 the cost of one Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0 2028 in an unpretentious manner. The ELON cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2028. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2029 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2029 the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0. The ELON cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 a significant manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars value conjecture 2030 the cost of Dogelon Mars is basically anticipated to reach at least worth of $0 2030. The Dogelon Mars cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2030 in a for the most part significant manner. In an unpretentious manner, Dogelon Mars value forecast 2031 the cost of Dogelon Mars is truly anticipated to reach at least worth of $0 2031, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Dogelon Mars cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2031 in a significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2032 Dogelon Mars cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0 2032. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at a greatest in every way that really matters. Conceivable degree of $0, the typical figure cost of $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. What will be the ELON most noteworthy conjecture cost for 2023? The ELON cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $0 the finish of 2023. What amount does Dogelon Mars cost in 2024? The cost of Dogelon Mars will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture in a significant way. In year 2024, Dogelon Mars will be worth about a kind of normal cost of $0. Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? Dogelon Mars' esteem is supposed to basically keep on growing, as lack will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the greatest examination fundamentally conceivable. What is the fate of Dogelon Mars, which is very critical? The fate of Dogelon Mars is exceptionally subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. At the point when it certainly comes to putting resources into ELON, you want to ensure that you in every practical sense are utilizing the right system. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Be that as it may, in any case a magnificent venture for those in every practical sense have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, ELON likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What amount will Dogelon Mars be worth in 2030? As far as value, Dogelon Mars has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is conjecture that ELON will increment in esteem, which is very critical. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, Dogelon Mars can generally raise a ruckus around town cost of $0 2030. How high might Dogelon Mars at any point go, which all things considered, is very huge. The typical cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the current years over incredibly. On the off chance that we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $0 amazingly. How much will Dogelon Mars be worth in 5 years, or so they by and large thought? In 5 years, Dogelon Mars will have an all things considered least cost of $0 a greatest cost of $0 ELON. Since Dogelon Mars is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically as opposed to prevalent thinking. What is the Dogelon Mars cost today? Today Dogelon Mars especially is exchanging at $0 the market cap of $177,440,934, which is genuinely huge.